this will probably be the second video as a part of a playlist on how to create the Vex Clawbot using Fusion 360. So in the previous video, I showed you how to put together the first 4 or 5 parts. Here, I'm just going to kind of bring us up to speed to where this is at. I will basically go through the whole history down below, and where I feel appropriate, maybe give some additional explanation that's going to help you get to this point, and then beyond there once I'm beyond there too. But anyway, I'll try to keep each of these videos pretty short, so let's just see how far we get with this one, all right? So I'm going to come over here, and let's see. The part we got up to was, okay, I've put those 4 pieces in, and then I had constrained the one, or joined it, as they call Fusion 360. And I did that with the others, and that was what I was hoping you would finish before picking up with this video. Okay, so at this point, we need to add that 20-hole bumper on there. All right, and again, it's a pretty simple process using the joints, right? So specifically, it would be assemble, joint, and yeah, you'd find like an edge or like a point on there on the bottom side, okay, of this bumper, and then connected to the top side of one of these holes on here. All right, and the cool thing is you only need one joint once you do it. Unlike Inventor, where you would do like a mate and some flush joints, it would take about 3 to lock something in place. You only have to do one with this rigid joint that they have here. Okay, yeah, you have this, and it needs to be, this hole here, if you're wondering, has to be in the 4th hole from the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, if you're wondering where that should be. Okay, so let's fast forward a little more and see if we can show you maybe one more thing on this video here. Okay, so there we go. All right. It's kind of freaking out here. It's because the screen recorder commands are over there. It's right in my way. Okay, I think I fixed it. All right, so now we're moving forward, and we've got that bumper joined there. So then we're going to add these 2 15-hole chassis rails, okay? And you'll have to look at your own Clawbot. Well, I guess you don't have those with you to check, but so let me tell you, he says in the video too, the bottom hole here is going to match up with one of these bottom holes, and specifically it's the 2nd hole from this notch, all right? And then this bottom hole, see how it's turned the other direction, will match up with the bottom hole that is 3rd from this notch, okay? So if we zoom in, sorry, I can get closer. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Those are going to go together, all right? And you can see that. And then let's end this video after I show that, all right? And we'll move forward to this next step in the next video, which is adding a screw and nut.